Hi friends, how are you? So I know this looks a little funny. I'm holding my camera up because in a minute I want to turn my camera down to show you some of the stuff I made. But before I do that, I want you to grab your Post-it notes and I want you to grab a marker. And if it's all easy, if your pizza box is all there, I want you to grab a dice too. Okay? You don't have to have the dice. It'll just help you. This is a math activity today. And okay, so if you have your Post-it notes and a marker, the first thing I want you to remember is how we hold our marker. Think about your grip. Remember the A-OK. We tuck our fingers. Okay. Now, I'm going to ask everybody to make numbers on their Post-it notes. So I'm going to turn this down now and show you what I mean. There, I think we can see all the numbers. And attached to this, there should be a little thing that helps you make your numbers. Mrs. Jones was going to post that with a thing that talks you through making your numbers, okay? So what I did was I got my A-OK grip. I went through and I wrote down all the numbers on my Post-it notes. Then the next thing I did was I made dots with all of those, the number of dots on a Post-it note too. So I made a piece of a Post-it note with 1 dot, with 2 dots, with 3 dots, okay? Now, when you're doing this at home, you may want to line up all your Post-it notes in a line and start on one side and start at 1 and go to 10. But because I'm taking a movie, because I'm making a movie and so I can show you, I had to group them all together like this, okay? The other thing I wanted to tell you is I did my dots on my Post-it notes like the dots on a dice. It just helps my mind sometimes know more quickly how many dots there are. So that's a hint. You can do that. You don't have to. Okay, so this is lots of things. So the first thing I want you to do is write all your numbers, all your numerals on a Post-it note. Then I want you to make a Post-it note with the same number of dots all the way across. And then we're going to play a game. So I've got my pile of Post-it notes. The first one I see here has, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4 dots. There's 4 dots on that one, so I'm going to find the numeral that I need to put that one next to. No. Yes. That is a 4. So those two go together. Do you see? Do you kind of get how my game goes? The next one has this many dots. Ooh, that's an easy one. That's only 1. So I'm going to put the one with 1 dot next to the 1. Do you see? And you could go through all, look at, I've got all of these. Here's one with lots and lots of dots. I would have to count those and put them next to or on top of the number that I made. So there's lots of pieces to this, okay? You can take your time with this. It might be hard for you to write the numbers, but you can practice. It might be hard for you to make the dots, but you can practice. You can look at a dice, all those things. So once you get all the dots, fill up that card, put the dots next to the right number, and then you can play it lots of times. Also, we're going to do something, do something with this again next week, so save your numbers and your dots, and we'll do a game. We'll kind of make this game a little trickier next week, okay? Hope you're having a good day, friends. Thanks for your hard work. We'll see you later. I'm going to keep playing this game. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, yeah, the 5. That's going to go right there. Have a good day. Bye, friends.